Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you step by step through installing a motorized cellular shade as an inside mount. First, here's everything you'll want to have ready. A drill with an SQ2 bit, a Phillips head screwdriver, a tape measure, and a pencil. Next, let's quickly review what comes in the box. You should have 2 to 3 mounting brackets depending on the width of your shade, screws and anchors, and the cellular shade itself. Before we install anything, let's confirm this is an inside mount. That means the brackets will attach to the inside of the window frame, not the wall or trim above your window. Now, let's prep our installation product parts and tools by the window. Next, use your measuring tape on the left side of the window and measure 7 inches from the inside edge of the window frame. Then, lightly mark a small line with your pencil. Then, repeat this step on the right side of the window opening. Now measure the full width of the window opening and divide that number by 2 to find the center of your window. Because this window is 46 inches wide, the center is at 23 inches. Once you find the center, mark it lightly with your pencil. Now you should have 3 marks showing where your mounting brackets will be drilled. Now secure each bracket with the included screws and tighten until firmly in place. With all the brackets now installed, lift the cellular shade up to the brackets and press it into place until you hear a click. You may need to apply extra pressure to fully click the shade into place. Now give the entire shade a gentle pull to confirm it's secure and doesn't shift. Congratulations! You've completed the installation. If you need help pairing and programming your shade, watch our step-by-step videos for the Remote Plus and the Motion Blinds app.